guys? Today we got a brand new video. We're doing a little bit something different. Instead of an installer working on cars, we are heading to a Mazda meet right now into Vancouver, and I am on a road trip. Today we are taking a CX-5 Kiro Edition 2021 and a half with that new screen down to the Mazda meet. I got a big cruise as well that I'm not filming, but I'm doing that after, and so this is going to be the media car. So this is, like I said, the 2021 and a half Mazda CX-5 Kiro Edition. This one in particular was ordered with black interior instead of the normal red kind of maroon interior that they normally come on. Black interior, black seats obviously with the red stitching. I do like the red interior more, to be honest, with this whole Kiro package, but she's pretty nice. But anyways, go ahead.
Let me add a little bit of spice.
So we're currently heading down this, like I said, this 3-hour road trip. So enjoy the views and enjoy the vehicle. We will be down there shortly. So we picked up the crew. We're heading over to the meet right now. Well, my ear hurts, but that's the crew that we're rolling with. All right, guys, we're rolling up. We gotta go that way. Majority speeds. All right, so we just started out the meet. Obviously, we still got people rolling in, but it's actually a pretty good turnout so far. Taking that look. Nice. I don't know how to film a Mazda meet, dude. More speeds. Here we go. More people over here. Oh, that looks nice. Really? Is that brightness?
Pretty cold.
Hey man.
Hey man.
What's going on? Here we go. Nice.
I got a supplement to the previous
Yeah, pop
video.
the hood, man. Let's go.
I'll pop it again. I'll pop it.
You get a little sneak peek. There you go. Nice. Okay. What do you do? What have you done?
This is a big turbo, so CST4 external wastegate setup, and it's just has a dump tube running down to the ground.
Dude, that's gnarly.
Yeah.
Just like alien brains.
Sure. Yeah, it's kind of complicated.
Beautiful. Zach, why do you have STI caps?
Because
what are those? CR Kais.
CR Kais.
Yes.
Not Kawamis. So they don't come with hubcaps. So
they don't?
They do. They literally don't.
Okay.
You can't buy them.
Hey, it's fair. Because I ran Nissan 350. I ran Nissan kneecaps. Center cap. It's okay. I approve. I don't know what other people will think. What's up, man? Yo, let it rip. G35 invades. Got a little Speed 6 going on. You don't see one of those every day, definitely. So we get a variation of meets down here that are like mixed between like third gens. Like, we have a pretty good third gen community, and obviously sometimes it mixes between speeds and all that stuff, but this is a pretty strict speed setup here. More? Yes. 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 I need to get the Miata. Get going. Okay, so let's take a look at all the cars. So if you guys remember Warren's MazdaSpeed 3, so Warren decided to show up to the Mazda meet today and he's got something new for you guys. Here's Warren's new whip.
Yo.
On chain.
Because this is not a G-Bag.
He's actually got an Audi RS3.
Yeah.
I thought I'd show you guys the whip.
My whip?
Time to go home now. Alright, Zach, what are we doing?
You're gonna film me rolling out. You're gonna hear that wastegate scream, but
I'm telling you guys, we got some nice cars out here. So we're waiting for Zach to roll by. He's gonna do a quick pull through here. I hear him. Yo! Dude, that was crazy. What's this? Conrad?
Ford Focus with a body kit.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna die.
I'm fast as boy!
Oh, attaboy.
Oh,
Ambulance.
Isn't it weird that those taillights on Conrad's have been on more cars than Lana Road?
Amber.
Oh.
Alright guys, and that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed our local Mazda meet. If you did and you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video and comment down below. I'm more than willing to do this stuff over and over again if you guys are interested for more of a vlog content. But other than that guys, thank you all so much for watching. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.